even though we have increased your lifespan, we have not increased the quality in that lifespan. And that is something that people who are in longevity medicine are working on, that how to make your health span to match your lifespan. Tell us about your journey through longevity medicine. So longevity medicine is basically a form of medicine. It's an emerging field in modern medicine, where basically there are doctors who train in not just helping you when you're sick, but people who basically, like myself, have studied for over a decade in trying to assist people to maintain their health for the entirety of their lifespan. Because your lifespan may be, modern medicine has increased your lifespan. So your ancestors just 200 years ago would be lucky if they stayed alive past 50. But nowadays, we take it for granted that people will live, like average age in the United States for women is in their 80s. For men, it's like also in their like late 70s and early 80s. So, however, the last 10 years of your life in United States, or actually all over the world, are, even though we have increased your lifespan, we have not increased the quality in that lifespan. And that is something that people who are in longevity medicine are working on, that how to make your health span to match your lifespan. So if we are making you live long, we should also put a lot of effort into making sure that you live that life with agency and with health, so you can go ahead and accomplish things that you need to accomplish within your extended lifespan now. Otherwise, what is the point in living a very long life if you're just going to suffer through this disease and that disease? Currently, as is, when people sometimes come and they talk to me and they say, "Oh, I want to age naturally," and I'm like, aging naturally and aging gracefully are mutually exclusive, by the way, because you cannot age naturally and keep extending your lifespan, because naturally when you start letting your body age, it is going to at some point disintegrate, because your body is programmed for these pauses. Because a menopause is basically is a programmed pause, which is programmed built into your system, because it allows your body, it tells your body that your time on this planet is over. It allows you to eject your system, your physicality, out of the matrix of life and health and wellness. So it's supposed to, like, if things did not impact you this year of your menopause, wait for like a couple of more years and something's going to happen to you. So the current system basically makes us experience aging like sitting ducks, where different diseases will just come and afflict us, and then we go to your doctors and the doctors will say, "Oh, you have this disease, and here is a medication for this disease, and here's a medication for that disease." And by the time you're 60 or 70, you have like 6 or 7 different medications that you're taking for different health concerns, or which are basically different diseases. However, the other side of this story and this education is also preserving health. So just like there are medications and to solve your problems once a disease has happened, there are also supplements and treatments and energy devices that are now FDA approved and present and are available in the United States market, at least, which can assist you in keeping your system together in health and wellness, not just for the few years that you're going to be young and vibrant, but for the entirety of your lifespan. And I tell people that proactively managing your health is also a thing, and that's the basic philosophy of longevity medicine.